Good morning, cherry lovers. Ever wondered how U.S. farmers turn millions of ripe cherries into perfect packs using cutting-edge agriculture technology, smart machines, and green tech? You're watching FarmForce, so grab your coffee, hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into the magic. Let's begin where flavor meets the farm. California's cherry orchards. Hand harvest is still king here. Each picker gathers up to 40 kilograms daily, with fruit cooled below 34 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 hours. It's about care, speed, and quality control from the very first step. And that's the magic of cherry harvest. In California's orchards, each worker picks up to 40 kilograms a day. At 75 cents per kilo, that's around $30 every few hours, or over $150 per day during peak season. Hard work, but worth it. But for mid-sized farms, the Maja ATL transforms the game. Mounted on a tractor, it shakes one tree in just 18 seconds. Zero bruising, zero ladders. Labor costs drop 60% while precision rises. It's built for farms that move fast but won't cut corners. Now shift to Michigan, where irregular rows need flexibility. The Maja TS handles 300 trees per hour and adapts on the fly. It even pre-cleans leaves and twigs right in the orchard. One pass, one smart harvest, designed for big farms with real-time pressure. And when you're talking volume, the Maja LK is unmatched. With an arched hydraulic arm and giant conveyor, it clears a full mature tree in just 15 seconds. Built for sour cherries and industrial pace, it's pure harvesting muscle in motion. Once picked, cherries are cooled instantly. Forced air systems drop the temp fast to preserve texture and freshness. This pause before packing keeps cherries export-ready and extends shelf life by up to 10 days. Still here? Then you must love farming stories too. Hit subscribe and join us, where agriculture meets heart. We'd be glad to have you. Next comes sorting, fast and flawless. From hydroflumes to color cameras, it's high-tech quality control you can't outpick by hand. Still watching? That means you're one of us. Someone who loves farming, tech, and good stories. Hit subscribe and be part of the journey. We'd love to have you here. At Protophanusis, AI scanners inspect 12 tons per hour, spotting defects in just 3 milliseconds. And packing? The Novatech line delivers 90 packs per minute, with plus or minus 1 gram accuracy. Digital load cells ensure every box is perfect. Medium-scale farms love it. It slashes labor by 50% and keeps exports moving on time. But when output demands scale, Novatech's full-line system takes over. It sorts 30 cherries per second, packs 10+ tons per shift, and never misses a beat. Built for global export houses, where speed and precision go hand in hand. Cherries now hit the road, from California to Japan, Korea, and the UAE. Each one carries a story of precision, sustainability, and grit. But none of this would happen without groundwork months before harvest. Now onto juice. Industrial destiners remove pits at 99.8% accuracy. Then 2,000 liters per hour flow through cold presses, filters, and 85 degrees Celsius pasteurization. Still here? You must love farming stories. Hit subscribe and join us where agriculture technology meets heart. No additives, less energy, all natural, all the way to bottle. So, let's rewind. It starts with land preparation. In California's mountain orchards, bulldozers and GPS-guided graders reshape steep slopes into laser-aligned rows. At 2,500 feet elevation, this setup boosts sunlight, airflow, and disease resistance. Next comes planting, 160,000 cherry trees in a single season. Workers drill holes 1.5 meters apart and plant each sapling by hand. Every tree is geotagged and entered into the farm's tracking system. Timing and precision, non-negotiable. Then there's irrigation, the brain of the orchard. In Maryland, smart drip lines paired with soil sensors track root moisture, temperature, and stress. Water goes exactly where it's needed, cutting waste and boosting tree health. Now, it's time to shape the future. Flower thinning begins on KGB-style trees, each with up to 25 vertical branches. Trimming weak buds boosts fruit size by 35%. Done by hand or battery tool, it's clean, quiet, and sustainable. But cherry bloom needs pollination, and bees can't always keep up. In the Netherlands, bumblebees fly at 11 degrees Celsius, working when honeybees don't. The result? A 30% increase in fruit set, even in unpredictable spring weather. Meanwhile, in Washington, machines join the pollination crew. WSU's air-powered pollinator targets each bloom with high precision. No bees, no drift. Just controlled pollination for healthier yields and smarter farming. But nature throws curveballs. Aphids can drain 30% of a tree's energy. That's why farmers time profile sprays after bloom and apply Signum fungicide early morning or late afternoon to protect bees while stopping disease. It's hard work, but worth it. If you enjoyed this FarmForce story, like, subscribe, and share your favorite farm machinery in the comments. See you in the next video, where advanced farming technology takes center stage.